Well, it's kind of snowing out right now, so you already know what that means. We're gonna take the show out. All-wheel drive drifting Forza gameplay. This is not real, YouTube. A little remote start action. Not a cold start, but still sounds good. Let's hit the road now. Sideways there. So it was snowing literally all morning, and you know what better time to test this all-wheel drive twin turbo than take her out for a little test drive. Hopefully soon I want to get a mic set up for my exhaust so that way you can actually hear the exhaust and not so much like the inside cabin noise. I guess that makes sense. Let's see if we can get another slide in. Nice. I wasn't even flooring it right there. I was just kind of like, half throttle, kind of letting the car figure out, because if I go full throttle, I feel like I'm gonna lose control. So if you're wondering why all the lights are on the dash, number one, check engine light, because my fuel inlet thing is like messed up, and then all the other like traction control light, ABS light, is because I had to pull a fuse, so it fully disables traction control. Little undisclosed location right here. Do a little spin class. Nice. Second gear, keep it on the throttle. Oh, I cannot see nothing, dude. Holy moly. Kind of want to set my phone up on one of these poles here, so that way, and see, shut up, I get it, yes. I want to set my phone up on one of these poles so I can get some like sick outside shots. So I think I'm gonna go do that right now. All right, I hope it's good. It's really windy. Try to get a few slides going over here, so hopefully it turns out good. I really hope that looks sick. All right, now I'm gonna set it right here and then just boost launch literally all the way down for fun. I know it's not gonna hook, but I just want to see what it sounds like. All right, it's time to go before I get in trouble. Oh shoot, I have my window open. Dang it. This road is weird. It's like it grips and then it just loses grip, grips, loses grip. It's weird. All right, let me get one more slide in and then I'm ending the video. shout out to Forza for teaching me how to do that, bro. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this little short video. I was bored, so I was like, let me just take the car out. But gotta go head up to the wedding, get changed and do all that. But make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, follow my Instagram, do all that nonsense. And see you guys next time. See ya.